Hello there. Today we are going to change the lift support of the gate, the tailgate of a Nissan Pathfinder. Exactly that guy right there. Let me show you how to disconnect it and to replace it. Oh, first of all, you want to secure your tailgate with something that is going to hold it when you remove the lift, because only one of the two lift is not going to be enough to keep it up. So you better put a support to help you out. Okay, let's go back to this guy. So if you see the support, they have two clips on each side, and the two clips are made to hold it. So this is how the clip look like, and I already removed this with a screwdriver. I'm going to show you how to remove the other one. So let's concentrate on the other one right there. You basically just need a small screwdriver, flat, and you can go in. I'm gonna take a picture of where you have to put the screwdriver. Basically, you don't have to remove it, you just have to pull it out. Sometimes it doesn't stay out, so I just removed it. Okay, in this case I was able to leave it out. So then you bring the new one out of the box, and you have to do the same with the new one. So you have to basically go replace this bar, the old one with the new one. And what I will do, let me see if I can show you here. Just see here, just open the clip a little bit, just to be able see, you just push it up until you stays outside of here, so it's not locking inside. It's not locking inside where the ball is. Okay, so you just push it up. Push this up and push the other one up. Just do it like that. You put the screwdriver, you rotate it a little bit, and you pry up. Right there. Okay, so now we're ready to remove the old one and put a new one in. See? Okay, we don't close the thing. That's why you want to remove it. Basically, if you want, you can also put a little bit of grease over there. Actually, it's a good idea because this is pretty dry. Let me go get a little bit of grease. See, just put a little bit here because this gets very dusty. And a little bit there. And now we're ready to push in the new one. It's always better turn it a little bit because it has to stay in the same. Let's show you on the top one. It's probably easier to see. See, right now it's inside. We're gonna have to lock it. See this guy has to go down again. So what we do, we push it like this. Then you can use pliers, for example. Maybe it's easier. Lock it in. At one point it should click by himself. See, right there and right there. I'm gonna take some pictures to show you exactly how it is.